Hi friends, welcome to Global Used Car Trading. Today I'm gonna introduce you 2016 Ford Kuga with total odometer 150,000 kilometers. This is second generation, 4-wheel drive and owned by two previous owners with great care and regular maintenance. Please follow me. Let me start with the front view of this vehicle. It's a black color with the LED headlamp, both sides working well. And the fog lamps are integrated into the lower bumper. Totally black color, and there's no scratches or dents in the surface. Original grille of Ford with its prominent emblem over here. Nice side view. Right front rim, generally fine, and tire tread is left under 30%. Side mirror with side repeater and air bench. Roof view is a roof rack along with a panorama sunroof with black tinted. All the windows are black tinted for the protection of privacy and from the sunlight. Right rear view, rim, there's some minor scratches, but generally fine. And the tire condition is very new, over 80%. It's a diesel. Rear view, very nice. And under the lower part, it has a dual exhaust, which adds its sporty feeling. Trunk, wide trunk spaces with a clean condition. The shade and the lower part of the trunk, there is a spare tire, which is new. Kuga mark over here. Nice tail lamp. Left rear view, rim and tire. Rim condition is very nice, clean, and tire tread over 70%. Left view. Engine sound is also working very nice. Front left rim and tire. Tire condition is very low, so it has to be replaced soon. Rim condition is fine. Now, let's look inside the engine hood. Engine sound is very stable and reliable. The weird shock or noise are found. The internal condition seems clean. I see no leakage of any fluid or oil. Let's hear the engine sound, which means this vehicle is very healthy. Right. Now let me step inside the vehicle. It has 3 analog clusters along with 1 digital clusters. Let me do the stock test. Piping goes up and down, reliable. Once more. Okay, good. Handling, very smooth. No interference, no rear shock or sounds. Very nice. And let me shifting the gear. It's parking now. Reverse. And rear sensor and the rear camera react. Neutral. Drive. Sport. No shock. Or smooth. Parking. Retrieve. Neutral. Drive. Sport. Transmission condition is good. Okay. Electric side mirror. Both left and the right side. And full power window. The front and the rear. Close for the front again. And it has a panorama sunroof with sunshade. So let me pull down the sunshade first. One touch, two touch. It moves back. And the panorama sunroof. First touch. Second touch. Close. And moving for the sunshade automatically. Alright. And sunshade for the front passengers and the driver. All works great. It has a black box aftermarket and the high pass for the automatic payment in the highway. Alright, and the lightning works fine. High beam also working well. On, great. Direction knob to the left and the right. The emergency button works fine. On all the buttons in the steering wheel hub works great. And basically all the systems and functions are now as English, so you don't need to change any setup. It has a cruise control function over here and the volume controller and wireless order system.
Please say a command.
Great. In the center console, it has a large touch screen and color display. So we can choose clock, display, sound, vehicle information, settings, and other useful information. Alright. And we can use this jog dial to search the frequency of radio and the control of the CD players. Alright. And climate control. Aircon works well. Heater. Works well as well. Let me go back to aircon. And all buttons for the climate control works great. Alright. And it has a heated seat for the front seat passengers and driver with 5 different levels from 0 to 5 for the passenger as well. Alright. It has an electric power seat for the driver, and it has a manual adjustment for the front seat passenger. Alright. And storage box, and inside it has 2 USB output and 1 output for the SD card. Glove box. Right, now let me move to the rear seat. This is a legroom. I'm a 180 centimeters tall, and I have this length of legroom, and it has a simple table. And I think this car was designed for family purpose. All right, and full power window. The lighting all works fine. Seat condition is very clean. No scratches, no damages. It looks like a new car. The armrest with a cup holder. And the air bench for the rear seat passenger. And one unique point is it has 230 volts output for the electronic gadgets, which is very convenient for the family trip. Right? This is how it looks from the front view, front seat passengers. Friends, that was the introduction and the review of 2016 Ford second generation Kuga with total odometer 150,000 kilometers, accident free and owned by 2 previous owners with great care and regular maintenance. If you are interested in this vehicle, or if you have any cars for me to check, please feel free to WhatsApp me. I can assist you with full my effort. I will see you in my next video post. Bye bye.